What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your TikTok profile name on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your TikTok application and head over to your profile. Here, tap on the Edit Profile button under your username. This will allow you to simply change your profile name from here. Changing your username will in turn also change your TikTok URL. In case your TikTok account is linked on other sites or profiles such as Instagram, then remember to change your link after changing your profile name. In case you changed your username less than 30 days ago, then you won't be able to change it again after 30 days have passed. Sometimes you won't be able to save a new username as they can only contain numbers, letters, underscores, and periods. If you have a verified account, then changing your username will not cause you to lose the verification. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.